next we move ahead with another type of alignment, that is the right alignment. So nothing is going to change over here also. Everything is same. You have to write the HTML head, title, you have to close the head, you have to give the body. Then to the paragraph you have to give the P. But because we are going to change the alignment with the P, we will again write the attribute align equals to. And now this time we are going to place it onto the right. So we have written right. Then we have to write the paragraph, close the body, paragraph and the HTML. You can see here the next in the output, this paragraph is right aligned. The paragraph is written from right side with respect to the page. You can see that whenever we are using the left alignment, all the lines from the left side will begin from the same place, but onto the right side they may end up here and there. But if you have chosen this type, that is the right alignment, you can see the lines onto the right side all will begin from the same place, but onto the left they may go here and there. That is because we have given the alignment equals to right. Similarly, we have the other alignment, that is center alignment and the justified alignment. So here with those alignment also nothing is going to change. Only in place of the right we will mention center, and if it is justified we will mention over here justified. So that means to align the paragraph, only what is to be done, we need to give the tag, that is P tag, and with the P tag an align attribute is to be added. With the align attribute in the inverted commas you will write down left, right, center or justified wherever you want this paragraph to be aligned. And you can see that this is the left alignment, this is the right alignment, this is the center alignment. You can see the whole paragraph is displayed in the center of the page. And this one is the justified alignment. The justified alignment try to position the paragraph equally onto the left as well as onto the right hand side. So these are the 4 alignments, and remember that to do all these 4 alignments nothing different is to be done. Always P align is to be used, and the P align, with the P align we are going to give left, right, center or justified, and after that we are going to write the paragraph, and that way the alignment of your paragraph will get changed. So this is all that we are going to discuss in this video. Next class we will be discussing about the line break tags. Thank you so much.